Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Obasanjo advises, "My generation should step down." Former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo has said the older politicians must step aside for young leaders to take over affairs of the nation. Obasanjo made a call when he spoke at the 2022 Muritala Muhammad Foundation annual lecture in Abuja on Monday, February 21st. He said that he was shocked to hear that some political leaders who are well advanced in age were interested in contesting for election offices in the forthcoming general election. He said this would frustrate the fight to end insecurity in Nigeria.